In this video, I would like to introduce you to a non-traditional strategy for multiplying whole numbers, known as lattice multiplication. First, create a lattice for the problem. This involves a column for each digit in the larger number, a row for each digit in the smaller number, diagonals, and the digits on the outside. Example 1, let's take 345 times 7. Well, 345 has 3 digits, so we're going to have 3 columns, 1 row. Put 345 across the top, 7 on the right side. Example 2, let's take 467 times 45. This time you're going to have 3 columns, 2 rows. And you're going to put 467 across the top, 45 down the right side. Example 3, let's take 378 times 214. This time you're going to have 3 columns, 3 rows. Put 378 across the top, 214 down the right side. Okay, this is the first step. Now, second, multiply the individual numbers. Place the tens digit above the diagonal and the ones digit below the diagonal. So in example 1, 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 3 is 21. So we write those numbers in the lattice. Example 2, 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 4 is 16. Now we multiply by the 5. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 4 is 20. And we fill in the lattice. Example 3, multiply by 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 3 is 6. And we just put the 6 below the diagonal. Now we multiply by 1. We get 8, 7, 3. Multiply by the 4. We have 32, 28, and 12. So we do the multiplication, fill in the lattice. That's step 2. Now, step 3. You want to add the diagonals to get your answer. So in example 1, we would have 5, 3 and 8 is 11, regroup the 1. We add, we get 4, add, we get 2. So this answer would be 2,415. Example 2, add the diagonals. 5, 8 and 3 is 11, regroup the 1. Add, we get 10, regroup the 1. Add, we get 11, regroup 1. Add, we get 2. Hence, the answer is 21,015. Example 3, you would add the diagonals. It's 2. This would be 19, regroup 1. This would be 18, regroup 1. 10, regroup 1. And we get 8. So this answer is 80,892. Okay. This is the process of lattice multiplication. Some students enjoy it, some students dislike it. It's one thing to remember, not everyone thinks the same, and not every problem needs to be worked using the same strategy. Now, example 4, 36 times 257. This means we need a lattice with 3 columns, 2 rows. Place the 257 across the top, the 36 down the right side. Multiply by the 3, we have 21, we have 15, and we have 6. Now multiply by the 6, 42, 30, 12. Add the diagonals, 2, 5, 12, regroup the 1, 9. So your answer is 9,252. Example 5, 527 times 328. This time you need a lattice that's three columns and 3 rows with diagonals. 328 across the top, 527 down the right side. Could I have put 527 across the top, 328 down the right side? Yes, because remember, multiplication is commutative. So let's multiply by the 5. We get 40, 10, 15. Multiply by the 2. 16, 4, 6. Multiply by the 7. 56, 14, 21. Add the diagonals. 6, 15, regroup the 1. 8, 12, regroup 1. 7, 1. So this answer is 172,856. This is an example of lattice multiplication. To learn more about this strategy and other multiplication strategies, get detailed explanations, additional examples, and practice problems, go to Mason's Amazing Math on Teachers Pay Teachers website, enter Book 1, Chapter 9 in the search box, download Book 1, Chapter 9 ebook pages for $1. You'll be amazed at what that $1 will buy you. I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you found this video informative and beneficial to you for future multiplication of whole numbers.